Hey, good morning. I'm Grant with Marinemax in Jacksonville Beach. This is our 2018 Grady-White 330 Express. This is our trade, so we are accepting trades on this boat as well. This is a loaded 330, got all the options that you'd want on a boat like this, starting with the 350 V8 4-stroke Yamahas. Pushes this boat fantastic, a little more power than what you use. A lot of times you see the 300s on this boat, so that extra under 100 horsepower really helps. You've got in the back here the refrigerated box back here, Dometic refrigerator freezer box. You don't need to carry ice on board, just throw your fish right in there. If you want to refrigerate them or freeze them, you're all set with that. You've got what's called the AV2 top here with the electric rollout sure shade on it. It's got a sunroof on it, so that's definitely an upgrade on the 330 Express. Platinum helm chair, Garmin autopilot, joystick controls, 2 VHF radios. Your dash on this, it raises up out of here. Your electronics are down below in there, and this has got two 12-inch Garmins on here. This has got open array radar on it. It's got a full Garmin electronics package on it. And again, this has got all the options that you want. It's been Marinemax maintained. It's a local trade. I know the history of this boat. Give us a call and I'll take you for a test ride today.